Welcome back, everyone. In today's fast-paced world, we're constantly connected. Our phones, tablets, and laptops are never far from reach. But could this constant connectivity be taking a toll on our well-being? Today we're talking about the need to unplug to recharge. Just like our devices, our minds need time to rest and reset. So today, we're diving into the concept of a digital detox. Studies show that regular digital detoxes can prevent burnout, reduce stress, and keep your productivity levels high. It's all about balance. While technology is a fantastic tool, it's important to remember that it's just that, a tool. It shouldn't control our lives. So we challenge you to try a digital detox. Start small, maybe an hour before bed. Then, maybe a whole Sunday. So disconnect and relax. Let's set aside those screens and reconnect with the world. Thanks for tuning in. Until then, stay present and stay mindful.